LT Render is a 3D visualization company located in Hong Kong, featuring high-class experts. We have completed many visualizations for product, interior, and architectural design and are ready to do more. The core of our work is clear communications with the client. Projects are built in three-dimensional space, but designers assess it on paper or a monitor, which is 2D. That representation can be misleading, and it requires adjustments in time to build a model that will meet the client's expectations. LT Render uses augmented reality to solve this problem. When we create the model, it will be sent to the clients in AR format. The model can be accessed by the clients from wherever they are using the internet. They can look at the model instantly and interactively and make a quick and sound decision about the design. This method achieves a faster and more efficient way of modeling and visualization. Another innovative technology utilized is virtual reality. This is the next level and future standard of computer visualization. And you know what? LT Render is the first company in Hong Kong that can do it for you. Just try it.